Good morning! Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. So, road trip vibes. I'm with my cousins and we are on our way to Namibia. It is amazingly lit. Say hey to the Scott fam. Woo! Yes, road trip vibes. What's up? Cheese! 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 It's it! Maybe it's not forever. Oh, guys! I'm trying to get everybody in the angle. Hello, I guess. Come back.
When I'm running away, we're moving forward, and though we're trying to stay ahead, we're just treading water. And love don't feel right. We get along on the outside, head out the door, let our house on the inside. Love don't feel right. We get along on the outside. Hearts ain't gonna lie. Don't take that the wrong way. You know what I mean. I knew it. Don't take that the wrong way. You know what I mean. Hearts ain't gonna lie. Bought you flowers and my selfish way.
So we out here in these streets and I'm very close to home, I guess. I don't know. Woo! Kadang.
That ain't me. That's the Namibian sign. It's on the seat, the back seat.
I'm choking. Woo-hoo. Tabang is that way. Y'all. This is where I'm from. Tabang. Tabung. I'm home. What do you mean? Say the same thing. Yeah, Janang home. Janang. You're making it hard for me. Wrong way. It's it. Hi guys. So this is what happened. We are in Gang. Mom and my cousin are taking a nap in the car, and we just basically decided to get into the pool without permission whilst not accommodated here. So it's about to be lit. We went to get our stuff in the car, changed, and now we're gonna get in, have some fun. Hey guys, so we are in the water.
What up?
Being rebels.
What up?
Taking risks.
YOLO, you only live once.
Hey! It's an awesome day. The weather's great for a pool. Bye! Woo! So we made it into the pool. It's been so lit. It's been so fun. It's so gorgeous. I just met you, and this is crazy. Here's my number. Call me maybe. Hi guys. Successful mission. We were able to swim and not get caught. It was really fun. The water was amazing. We were in there for a good like 20-30 minutes. So yeah, now we're just going back to the car to wake the people up and maybe eat, I don't know, and then be on our way after we get out of these wet clothes. This is